I am back home from my vacation, my very long vacation. I'm going to do like a story time video where I'm just crafting and telling you guys about my trip. That'll be coming up sometime very soon. I did go to my P.O. box. I had some Christmas cards and I had a Happy Mail package. But with my Happy Mail package, it said that I had 2 packages, but they could only find 1. And it's so disappointing because this is not the first time that this has happened to me. It's happened actually many of times and it makes me nervous. So I don't know if I should switch locations on which post office I have my P.O. box at, but then I'm afraid that people won't realize that I changed my address. Or is this just like a normal thing everywhere? Like, I don't know. I swear, like, one time a month, there's a problem there that I either received somebody else's mail in my P.O. box or something of mine is missing. So I just don't know what to do. Any suggestions, please let me know. If you or somebody you know works at the post office, what do they suggest to do? Because I just don't know what to do at this point. So let's jump on in and let's get started. So my first card comes from Shawana. And I love how she did, like, the little, like, Mary. I think that's really cute. Oh, I didn't even notice that the postal stamp this year says Happy Holidays, and it's a little snow globe snowman. That is so cute. I love that. So here is her card. You guys, I still want to make Christmas cards. I know it's almost Christmas, but I didn't get to Christmas craft because I was gone most of the month. So I really want to do some cards. So I'm so happy that you sent me a homemade card because now I can get some inspiration right here. I love this little Brad. That is so pretty. So I love this little cut apart, a little pattern paper, and boom, here we go. Okay, let's see. So she's just wishing me a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And then she put a little sticker in here. That's really cute. But look at these. Oh my gosh. I love vintage Halloween, vintage Christmas, vintage anything. I am just all about it. I've said it before and I say it all the time. I feel like I was born during the wrong time because I'm so much more old school and traditional than anything. So love that. And then our next one comes from, Princess Kayla. And look, she put some little Disney stickers on here. And there was one on here that I stuck on the inside because it had, like, kind of like fallen off. So I wanted to make sure not to lose that. And let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's stuck. There we go. I got it. Oh, she did her own Christmas card too. See, I love all the inspiration here. So she put her little Merry Christmas stamp. I love this like little notepad or ephemera piece, whatever that is. That's really cute. And then we got the Baby It's Cold Outside. Love that. Love that song. Oh, hers flips up. Look at how fancy. Got Merry Christmas. Oh, she kind of looks like me with like her long little curly hair. No, just kidding. I'm not that pretty. And then we have Princess Kayla. Thank you so much. And she has a little boy too. So that's really cute. But hers is a lot younger than my son. And then we got another one right here with our little gingerbread guys. Oh, this comes from Teresa. I swear she sent me something already. But look, I just bought these stamps too. They are so cute. These are their little snow globes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with the stamps this year. And oh, look at the inside of her envelope. That's pretty. Oh, the whole thing is lined. Oh, I love that. I could totally reuse that. And then, oh, look, it's like her little like red car with a tree. That glitter is really nice. I don't know if you can see all that little glitter. It's really pretty. What? Where did you find so much pig stuff? Okay, so she did. I swear. She sent me a package before I left. So she's so sweet to send me a card. I did post her Happy Mail. And she sent little piggy stuff in the Happy Mail that was obviously for Sunny. So I took it on our cruise with us. And I put it in his Christmas stocking on the cruise. So he got it during the cruise like a little gift. So I do have a photo of that. Of everything that we received for gift wise. I did make photos or take photos of. So yeah, she sent him little piggy stuff, but look at how cute this is. Okay, I need to go Google what pig candy is because whatever it is, we're gonna need some of it. But how cute. Like even this little piggy has his little green beard down there. Like these are so adorable. So here's the inside of her little card. Oh, she just said that she forgot to send the sticker, so she was just sending it on a card. Well, thank you so much. I can't wait to show Sunny Boy. He's going to love it because he loved the other pig items that you sent as well. And then our last card comes from Sue. So her card was actually sliced open on the side. So I'm hoping everything's in here because I could see that there's like little ephemera in there. So I hope everything is all in here. Let me make sure I got everything out. Yes, I did. So here is her little card, Peace on Earth with her little house. I want to take these and make junk journals out of them. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Thank you so much, Sue. So we have, oh wow, a lot of little tags right here. Oh, there's some more tags back here. Oh, some little white tags. Aw, thank you so much. I'm so happy that you love my channel. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And oh my gosh, well, in my story time, I'll tell you guys again, but we got some little butterflies right here. So after our cruise, we went to Texas, and I honestly, like, you kind of lose track of time. And like, well, for me, like days, like I lost track of like what day it was, like Monday, Friday, you know, the second, the third, whatever. I lost track of days. So when I got off the ship, I completely forgot that we were almost at Christmas. So when I got off the ship, and the first person that I came in contact with once I got off the ship was an attendant who, you know, she was like, hi, welcome home and Merry Christmas. And I was like, oh my gosh, we are at like Christmas already. So everywhere I went in Texas, I loved it. They said Merry Christmas everywhere, every store, every gas station, everywhere. People on the street just give you a smile and Merry Christmas. I absolutely loved it. I get home, and the first person that I come in contact once I get off the plane at home is a lady, because there was like a little like situation on the plane, and I tell her Merry Christmas, and she's like, oh, thank you. And then we get a little bit further down the baggage claim, and there's somebody else over there, and I'm like, oh, you know, talking with her, and I'm like, okay, you know, Merry Christmas. And she's like, same to you. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I want to go back to Texas where everybody says Merry Christmas. Like, I just want to go back. Like, I loved it so much. Okay, that's part of my story time. So back to Happy Mail. This box comes from Sarah. She has sent me Happy Mail before. Oh, this is cute. This is a light. I have never seen that before. So it's a little mini flashlight. I'm gonna have to stick that on my backpack. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. A little Mickey Santa lollipop holder. Ooh, there's watermelon and strawberry in there. Yum. Ooh, and cherry. Oh, that's really good. Love those. And then we have our little card here. Let's open that. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, it's like little like snowballs everywhere with the little penguins. That is so cute. Oh, the inside. Like, that is a pearl finish on there. That is really, really pretty. So she just has wishing me a Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I hope your trip with your parents is going spectacular. Oh my gosh, she knows how much I love Stitch. Excuse me. So I got a little Stitch headband here. I wore my Mickey ears almost the whole time on the cruise. If I was sick, I was not wearing them. Oh my gosh, she hooked me up for life. Look at all the Lion King stickers. I'm about to die. So one of my favorite characters is Scar. He is my all-time favorite villain of Disney. I love this movie. I've watched it I don't even know how many times. So I am so obsessed. And she like hooked it up with all of these stickers. That's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. I could definitely go share it with Sunny Boy. And then we have a little Minnie Mouse stocking here that she did go ahead and fill up. So let's see what all is inside. Oh my gosh, how pretty. I did not see these. Oh, look. Here's Poe the Pig with Moana. How cute. Oh my gosh, Abu is down there. Like, I love the like little random like characters, you know, like Chip and Flounder. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh, love that. Then we have El Canto, which is funny because they were on the cruise. Well, her and Bruno were on the cruise, and Bruno is one of Sunny's favorite characters, so we took photos with him. I got some Disney stickers here that are super nice. There's puffy, glitter, foil, and then glossy. You can totally use that. So happy you sent this, girly, because like I said, we did get some photos. So I hope Bruno is in here. Did I miss him and skip him already? Oh, I don't see him in here. Well, I like the family one, familia one. That's really nice. And then, let's see, there's more in here. Oh my gosh, how cute! It is a Stitch little pop thing for your phone. How cute is that? I'm gonna have to hide that. My dad and Sunny Boy are obsessed with having these on their phone, and I just bought my dad a Mickey one while we were gone. Oh my gosh, these are from Dollar Tree. They are glitter pens. If you don't have them, you need them. They are so nice. I love these. And there's other characters too. I think there was like Minnie and princesses, if I'm correct. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? Oh, and it has the 100. It's Disney's 100th anniversary. So we have a little charm bracelet with the little charms right here. So we got Stitch, 100, Minnie, Tinkerbell, and a little star. So you can wish upon your star. That is so cute. And that is everything that we got this trip to the post office. Like I said, if you sent me something and I did not post it, please let me know down below. So hopefully we could go ahead and find that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Merry Christmas. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.